good to have you once again on this exciting edition with Winnie Honor. So today we are looking at rounding up. Rounding off is same as estimation. So we are rounding to the nearest whole number. We have for question 1, 6.98. Whole number means we don't want any number after this point. We just want this. Any number after the point on your right, we don't want. We are eliminating any number after the point on your right. So this is what we're going to do. To eliminate them, we have to look at our number line. Previously on our number line, we said from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 1 to 4 is negative. From 5 to 9 is positive. Negative means they are still children. When they work, when they go out to actually work, they can't get money up to the way an adult to work and get income. So this 8, looking at our number line, 8 is positive. That means when it goes out to work, it can bring in money. Now, 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write down our 0 and carry 1 up. So don't forget our points. 6 plus 1 is 7. We are not eliminating the 6. We are adding 6 to 1, which is 7. So 7 is to the nearest whole number. 7 is to the nearest whole number for question A. Now for question B, you have 5.4. We are told to round up 5.4 to the nearest whole number. Remember, nearest whole number means we don't need any number after the point. We don't need the number on the right. So we are eliminating 4. But before we can do that, we have to check our number line to know if 4 is negative or positive. So 4 on this part, 4 of course, 4 is negative. So when 4 goes to work, it's still a child. It cannot bring back money. So we are not adding 1 here because 4 cannot take 1 up. So point, we are not eliminating the 5. The 5 comes down. So 5.0. Don't forget whole number, we don't need the point 0. So 5 is to the nearest whole number. 5 is the nearest whole number. 5 is the nearest whole number. For question C, you have 7.32 to the nearest whole number. Let's estimate this the nearest whole number. So remember, whole number doesn't need any number after the points. So we are eliminating this and this. These are the numbers after the points. But before we can do that, we have to check our number line to see if these numbers are more negative or positive. So 2 on our number line. 2 of course is negative. That means it's a child. When it goes to work, it cannot carry 1 up. It cannot bring in money. So 3 is also negative on our number line. So it is 0. You cannot carry 1 because 3 is negative. Now your point, then the 7 remains. They are bringing out the 7. So 7, we don't need this 0.00 as it is whole number. So 7 is the nearest whole number. 7 is the nearest whole number. Now for D, you have 18.635. We are told to round up this to the nearest whole number. Remember, the nearest whole number doesn't need any number after the points on the right hand side. So we are eliminating these, and these because these are the numbers after the point on the right hand side. So 5 is 5 negative or positive? Yes, 5 is positive. That means when you write down 0, you can carry 1 because 5 is positive. 3 plus 1 is 4. But even at that, we have to eliminate the 4 we got. So 4 is negative. You write down your 0. You can't take 1 up because 4 is negative. Now this is 6. Is 6 negative or positive? 6 is positive. That means when we write down 0, we can actually take 1 up. Don't forget to put this point. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then bring down your 1. You have to the nearest whole number. We don't need the point. So we have 19. This is what we need. 19 is the nearest whole number.